Hello everyone! Welcome to Invest Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about 8 strategies to get wealthy on a modest salary. Anyone who has ever daydreamed about hitting it big knows that becoming wealthy doesn't necessarily require a high salary. While a six-figure income can undoubtedly help you amass wealth, many people have become wealthy without earning a high salary. For example, many successful entrepreneurs have built their business from scratch. While they may not earn a large salary, they eventually reap the rewards in equity and profits. Similarly, people who invest wisely can also grow their wealth over time, even if they don't have much money to start with. In other words, becoming healthy is more about making smart decisions with your money than how much money you earn. It is a common misconception that you need to be earning a high salary to build wealth. While it is true that a higher income can make it easier to save money, there are plenty of people who have become wealthy on modest salaries. By sticking to these strategies, you too can be rich. The first strategy is to invest. Anyone looking to save money and grow their wealth should consider investing. Although some risks are involved, the potential rewards make investing a worthwhile endeavor, even for those on a modest salary. One of the main benefits of investing is that it can help you save more of your money. By putting your money into investments that offer growth potential, you can earn a higher return than you would by keeping your money in a savings account. This can help you reach your financial goals more quickly. In addition, investing can help you build a more diversified income stream. By owning a portfolio of investments, you can minimize your risk and increase your chances of achieving financial success. Even those on a modest salary should consider investing in growing their wealth over time. Second, don't overspend. If you are already on a modest salary, it is crucial to be mindful of your spending to avoid debt. There is no shame in living within your means and being aware of your finances, although it can be tempting to overspend when you see others around you doing so. It is essential to remember that they may not be in the same financial situation as you. By being mindful of your spending and sticking to a budget, you can ensure that you can live comfortably within your means. There is nothing wrong with being frugal and financially responsible. In fact, it is commendable. Third, read more and educate yourself. It is no secret that education and reading can help you increase your wealth. By reading more and educating yourself, you can develop the skills and knowledge to find better paying jobs. Invest your money wisely and save for your future. However, this is especially true for those who have a low income. For many people with low incomes, the only way to increase their earnings is to get a higher paying job. And the best way to do that is to improve their skills in education. By reading more and educating themselves, they can make themselves more attractive to employers and earn the raises and promotions they deserve. In addition, those with low incomes often don't have the same opportunities to invest their money wisely. They may not have access to the same financial resources or be able to afford the same investment products as those with higher incomes. However, by reading more and educating themselves about personal finance, they can learn how to make wise investments and grow their wealth over time. So if you're looking for ways to increase your wealth, start with education and reading. It may not be the quickest or easiest route, but it's undoubtedly one of the most effective. The fourth strategy is to stop the small daily purchases. We all know the old saying, it's the little things that matter. This could not be more true when it comes to our daily routine. From the coffee we grab on our way to work to the lunchtime sandwich, we are constantly making small purchases that add up over time. While these expenses may seem insignificant, they can quickly add up to a significant amount of money. Many people believe that the key to becoming rich is to save a large sum of money all at once. However, this is not always possible for those living on a modest salary. Even if you can save a small amount each month, the impact of compound interest can quickly add up over time. One of the best ways to become rich is to stop making daily small purchases that you do not need. This may seem not very easy, but it is relatively easy once you get into the habit. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Fifth, save your money. One of the most obvious steps to take if you want to be wealthy is to save your money. And yet, so few of us do it. Why is that? One reason may be that we have a hard time making ends meet. We may feel like we can't afford to put any money away for savings. But even if you can only save a little bit each month, it will add up over time. Another reason may be that we don't think about it. We may not realize how significant saving is for our long-term financial security. Or we may believe that we'll never have enough money to make saving worthwhile. Whatever the reason, saving money is one of the most important things you can do for your financial future. Then, automate and track your finances. Anyone serious about becoming rich needs to take a hard look at their finances and plan how they are going to save and invest their money. One of the best ways to do this is to automate your finances to automatically transfer a fixed amount of money into savings and investment accounts each month. This will help you make headway on your long-term financial goals without thinking about it every day. In addition, tracking your finances carefully will help you identify areas where you can cut back or save more money. Next, cut off debts. The key to wealth is to cut off debts. However, this is easier said than done. Debts are a common problem for low-income earners. Low-income earners often have a hard time making ends meet, let alone paying off debts. They may also be tempted to use credit to cover unexpected expenses or enjoy a lifestyle they can't afford. It's important to remember that debt won't go away. You need to take action to get rid of it. This may mean making sacrifices, such as cutting back on spending or taking on a second job. But if you're serious about becoming wealthy, it's worth it. Making a debt-free life your priority will pay off in the long run. Lastly, live healthily. A healthy lifestyle is not a luxury reserved for a wealthy. Everyone can live a healthy lifestyle, regardless of their income level. While it is true that some health-related costs can be prohibitively expensive, there are many simple changes that everyone can make to improve their health. For example, eating balanced diet and getting regular exercise are two of the most important things you can do for your health, and both of these are free. Additionally, there are often low-cost or even free resources available in communities for those who want to live a healthier lifestyle but lack the financial resources. By being healthy, you prevent yourself from getting sick and needing to visit the hospital or doctor frequently. Also, you are saving money because you will not need to buy as much medication. Everyone has different financial goals. Some people want to save up for a down payment on a house, while others want to retire as early as possible. No matter your destination, these strategies can help you get there. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.